It's nice and sunny. It's August 2023, but the thing is that the weather is still cold outside. It's about 19 degrees. See, these are some of the details of the hotels. Only the good hotels basically they pay attention, but it makes a big difference, to be honest. You get like personalized welcome and so let's go. Today we are in Brussels. It's August 2023. We're gonna go check out some best waffles in the town. So let's explore the city and stay with you. And that's the most beautiful hotel lobby that I have ever seen. You see how artistically designed. You have this nice game room, lobbies on the other side, and you have this nice, cozy, and the warm place. It's basically a lobby, come bar. You can play some games, come over here with your friends and enjoy. I really love the lobby of this. Look how artistic it is, every single thing around. So let's go get some coffee first, and then we. So the machine is heating up basically. I'm just trying to make a coffee. Right there. Still heating up. We'll see how it takes. See how beautiful the weather is. I mean, it's August and the rest of the world we all have like summer, and here the weather is still pleasant. It's about 18-19 degrees and the city is bustling. It's beautiful. Weather is really beautiful, and we are right next to this Brussels Eye. Let's see if it's not crowded. We can probably go try to take this Brussels Street. It's just a fresh air, nice and sunny with 18-19 degrees. Look at this. We are right at the top of the Brussels city center, and you have all this downtown area. So we are just walking towards the Brussels city center, where we have all this famous attraction with the mannequins, a lot of famous shops for the fries, a lot of shopping street, famous brands, and a lot of tourists, of course, including myself. You see how they have preserved the streets like what it used to be in old style, still kept. Of course the highways are obviously a different one, but I mean how they keep this intact. I mean, even the buildings, look how beautiful this is. It's nicely decorated. This is what the Brussels is all about. So you just walk on this tiny little streets and you enjoy the atmosphere. Even though it's not a weekend, it's Monday today. It's I guess it's 8th of August, and it's still bustling. You have people around sitting in the cafes. You have restaurants that are still lively. Shops are still open. It's really cool. Yeah, people are enjoying their afternoon. So I'm in a hunt as well for a good waffle. So let's see. We'll keep on. Feels like home. I've been to Brussels quite a few times, and I'm quite familiar with the places. It depends what you want to do in Brussels in a daytime. You know, there are a lot of activities. You can come to the square, come to the city center. There are a lot of nice parks, palaces. If you have a longer time, then there is a place called Bruges. It's a small town, just about an hour and a half from Brussels. You can go there. Really cool, small town. We are here at the famous Belgian fries. They have one of the best fries that so they got different topics. They got some cheese, ketchup, mayonnaise, and they have an outdoor seating. It's right in the center of. See, do you know why there is a queue in here? This is one of the oldest restaurants that they have in Brussels that used to serve fresh Belgian waffles. You can see how crowded is that. I think last time I came, I tried another place that was closer to the palace, but this time I'll probably give it a try over here and just see how their waffles looks like. Let's see what's going on there. There's some sort of game they are playing over there. This is what I had last time. A 4-0. This is another their famous attraction, and that's it. This is what this guy is doing. Just pissing around, that's it. And this is what people come and see for. Okay, let's go. So let's go. We'll try the fries from there. Looks good, less crowded. And I haven't tried it before. So let's give it a try.
€6 please.
Sure. And one cola zero.
€8 please.
Appreciate it. That's how it looks like. Okay. Even though you're on diet, but the places like that, you cannot miss this kind of fries or this kind of waffles. And you can run an extra kilometers. So I took this with the cheddar cheese topping, and it's really nice and fresh. It was steaming, really crunchy fries, and you check out the views that you're having the fries with. This is the best part about traveling. You go to different places and you try their famous delicacies. That's really cool. Hi, can I order here or from inside? Pistachio. And there's a coconut as well. A lot of coconuts out there.
Pistachio ice
Yes, please.
That's it?
That's it. One scoop.
760, please.
Okay.
Pay by card?
Here? Yes, I'll pay by card. About 760 euros with the pistachio ice cream. Let's see what it turns out to be. That's mine. Thank you. Thank you very much. Perfect. True. That's perfect. Wow. Wow. Pistachio ice cream has a really nice blend with this crunchy. So take a bit of ice cream from here, and you see the crunch over it. It's not like soggy. It's not really like kind of dipping into syrup or something. It's nice and crunchy, and you try it with the pistachio ice cream. It just gives you a different flavor. Amazing. That was nice, beautiful day spent. It's time to go home. I was passing by this beautiful garden and the palace in the front. I guess I'll end my vlog here with this beautiful view. Until we meet next time with a new vlog. Thank you for watching and take care. Allah Hafiz.